top 8 ice cubes that you can use on your skin. Tomato is not new in the beauty industry. So cucumber and lemon, these two guys are important beauty ingredients. But do you know that when you add a certain ingredient to ice is known to relieve the skin, ice is known to suit the skin, to achieve a firm and glowing skin. Now, some of these ice cubes has more benefit than just a firm and glowing skin. Hi guys, today we'll be taking a look at 8 DIY ice cubes that you can use on your skin for a firm and glowing skin tone. Now, ice cube is something that is not new in the beauty industry as far as DIY is concerned. Ice cube is not something new. Ice is known to improve the circulation of blood flow in the skin. Ice is known to relieve the skin. Ice is known to suit the skin. But do you know that when you add a certain ingredient to ice, or you freeze a certain ingredient, that you are not only going to get the benefit or the beauty benefit of ice, but you are also going to get the benefit of the added ingredients in the ice. And that is the angle we will be looking at this ice cube from. So I'm going to introduce you to 8 different types of ice cubes that you can make at home. It is very easy, it's easy peasy, something that you can just do, put it in your freezer, wait a couple of minutes to hours for it to freeze, and then you use it on your skin. If today is your first time stopping by, my name is Etienne and I am happy to have you on this channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to join the family. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of future videos from me. The first on our list is tomato. Tomato is not new in the beauty industry. Tomato contains an ingredient known as lycopene, which is very good for improving the skin tone and making the skin to glow. Tomato also contains an antioxidant which helps to prevent the skin from free radical damage. It also contains ascorbic acid. It is very good for firming the skin, and it is also going to not only improve your skin tone and make your skin to glow, but it's also going to firm up your skin and get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. How to prepare your tomato ice cube? Simply get 1 fresh tomato that is still in good condition, blend it up or grate it, and then squeeze out the juice from the tomato. No need for you to add extra water because the tomato comes with enough juice by itself. Pour it into your ice cube and freeze it. After a couple of minutes to hours, it is going to become hard, and then just bring it out and use it. Apply it all over your skin. Massage it gently on your skin. Remember not to leave the ice for too long on your skin so that you will not have ice burns. So massage it gently, leave it to sit on your skin for 30 minutes and then wash it off. Why you have to leave it to sit on your skin is because you want your skin to absorb all that goodness before you wash it off. Number 2 is cucumber and lemon. Cucumber and lemon, these two guys are also very important beauty ingredients. Lemon contains vitamin C, that is a citric acid. It contains antioxidants, which also helps to prevent free radical damage on the skin. Cucumber, on the other hand, is very soothing on the skin if you have dark circles and all of that. These two combination is going to help. If you have dark circles, you have dark spots, cucumber and lemon combination is going to help you get rid of that. How to prepare? Grate your cucumber or simply put it in a blender and blend it up. After blending, extract the juice from the pulp and then introduce your lemon into it. Put 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice into it depending on the quantity of your cucumber, and then mix it up, stir it together very well. Pour it into your ice cube container or your ice tray and then freeze it, and then once it is hard, you can bring it out and apply it on your skin. This is something that you can repeat for as many days as possible. You don't have to prepare a fresh one whenever you want to use it. just put it in your freezer. When you want to use it, you go get out one ice cube and then apply it all over your face, massage it all over your face. If you are trying to get rid of dark eye circle, then you want to also apply it under your eyes. Leave it to sit for about 30 minutes before washing it off. The third one is green tea. Green tea is one ingredient that helps to give and boost that youthful skin. It helps to prevent premature aging. It contains antioxidants, which helps to prevent free radical damage on the skin. Green tea extract is known to also act as an anti-inflammatory. So if you have an inflammation on your skin, green tea extract is one very important ingredient that you need for getting rid of that. So how to do this? Simply get your green tea and brew it in hot water. Let the goodness come out, and then you can take out the tea bag and leave the green tea to cool. Once it is cool, pour it into your ice tray, put it in your freezer, allow it to freeze, and then just repeat the same process. Bring it out and apply it all over your skin. Green tea is very important, guys. You don't want to skip green tea. Trust me, green tea is going to protect your skin. It's going to protect you. It's going to prevent premature aging. It's just going to bring out the best of your skin. So if you can, try out this green tea ice cube. The fourth one on our list is cinnamon ice cube. Now, this is particularly going to be very important for people that have acne or rough textured skin. That is because cinnamon is an antibacterial, which means that it helps to fight bacteria on the skin, and acne and pimples is usually caused by bacteria known as P. acne. So now this cinnamon ice cube is going to work by going in to fight off those bacteria, which means it's going to leave you with a smoother skin tone, and it's also going to help prevent and control the acne that you have on your skin. Now, how do you prepare this? Simply get your grounded cinnamon, or if you are making use of a cinnamon stick, you can simply steep it in water, in warm water, and then leave it to brew. Bring it out, pour it into your ice tray, and leave it to freeze, and you can use it on your skin. Repeat the process as many times as you want until you achieve your desired result. Remember not to leave it too long on your skin. Once you leave it up to 30 minutes, it is enough to do what it is supposed to do. So go ahead and wash it off. The fifth on our list is milk. Now, milk is something that contains lactic acid. Lactic acid is very essential for our skin because it helps to exfoliate the skin, helps to reveal a brighter skin tone and a more radiant skin tone. Now, if you incorporate this milk ice cube into your skincare regimen, it is going to just naturally exfoliate your skin and just make your skin to glow. Like when you hear skin like milk, you can still get it by making use of this milk on your skin. So now, what are you going to prepare this? Simply get your milk. If you have your whole milk, the packet type of milk, put it in your ice tray and put it in your freezer for it to freeze. You can also bring this out and apply it on your face once it is frozen. If you have the powdered milk, just dilute it with water. Don't make it too thick. You don't want it to be too thick. Dilute it with water and then put it in your ice tray, freeze it, and there you have it. You have your ice cube, you have your milk ice cube that you can use on your skin anytime. Milk does not only help to exfoliate the skin or brighten the skin or improve the skin radiance, but it also helps to boost collagen production. And when your skin's collagen production is increased, it means that any fine line and wrinkles will be controlled, and it's going to just help you maintain a more youthful skin. The sixth on our list is rose water. Rose water is a powerhouse when it comes to beauty treatment. Now, rose water contains antioxidants, which also going to help protect your skin from free radical damage. It helps to soothe the skin and also helps to control natural oils on the skin. Rose water helps to minimize large pores, open pores. It soothes the skin. It also helps to soothe redness, get rid of redness on your face, and just help you maintain a overall beautiful skin tone. Now, how do you prepare your rose water ice cube? Simply get your rose water, pour it into your ice tray, freeze it, and then use it on your skin. The next on our list is coffee, and coffee is another powerhouse that you don't want to ignore. That is because coffee contains an antioxidant which also helps to prevent your skin from damage. It prevents premature aging, prevents saggy skin. If you have saggy skin, it's going to help firm up your skin and get rid of all the sagginess on your skin, all those fine lines and wrinkles that you have. Coffee is going to help get rid of that. Not only is it going to firm up your skin, it is also going to brighten your skin and help get rid of hyperpigmentation. That is why I said you don't want to miss coffee if you want to achieve a brighter skin, a firm skin, and even a smooth skin, because coffee also helps to smoothen your skin. It is going to help get rid of all those small rashes or pimples that you might have on your face. To prepare it, get your coffee, brew it with hot water, leave it to cool, and then put it in your ice tray, freeze it, and then you can make use of it as many times as you want. Once you leave it to sit on your skin for 30 minutes, that is enough. You can go wash it off and then repeat the process every day to maintain a beautiful skin tone. And the last on our list is aloe vera. Aloe vera has very good skin healing properties. If your skin has acne, you have roughness on your skin, you have inflammation on your skin, aloe vera should be your go-to ingredient because it helps to heal the skin. It also helps to boost moisture in the skin. It helps to hydrate the skin. Aloe vera is also very good for soothing the skin and getting rid of redness. If you have redness or sunburn, aloe vera should be your go-to ingredient because this is also going to help you get rid of redness and inflammation on your skin. To prepare this, simply get your aloe vera, bring out that whitish part, the gel, blend it up, or use a fork to just match it, or you can use a stick blender, match it up, and then put it in your ice cube, in your ice tray. Put it in your ice tray. Even if you don't blend it, you can just use a fork to match it, make it to bring out the gel. Put it in your ice tray. Please don't dilute it. Put it in your ice tray, leave it to freeze, and then you can use it on your skin. Leave it to sit on your skin for 30 to 45 minutes and then wash it off. The ice cubes that you can use on your skin is not limited to this, but these are the top 8 ice cubes that you can use on your skin to achieve a firm and glowing skin. Now, as you can see, some of these ice cubes has more benefit than just a firm and glowing skin. They also help you to maintain a smoother skin tone and also help to control excess oil and acne on your face. Now, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out, and if you have tried this out, let me know in the comment section. How did you find it? Do you like it? Do you enjoy it? Don't forget to share this video with your friends. This is the most important part of this video right now. Share this video with your friends and also subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this from me. Don't forget to watch my older videos because I have many valuable and informative videos like this for you to watch, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.